Hello everyone, welcome back to Unit Data Analytics. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create basic column chart in Power BI. We will also cover some formatting tips to make chart more readable and appealing. So column chart is widely used because of its versatility and effectiveness in presenting data in the way that is easy to understand. So we have loaded the Superstore sales data. We will create a column chart to visualize sales data by region. Let's go ahead and insert a column chart. Let's drag the region field to x-axis section and drag the sales field to y-axis. Power BI will automatically generate the basic column chart showing sum of sales by region. We can change the aggregation to average, minimum, maximum per region. Let's make it more readable and visually appealing by adjusting the formatting. So for that, let's click on Format Visual. In the area below, icon displays the customization available for selected visualization. Now it is showing for the column chart. So let's adjust the x-axis parameter like values, font size, color and title. We can do the similar changes for the y-axis. For better readability of visual, we can set the data label on. Under values, we can change the unit and font size of data labels. Let's adjust the decimal unit accordingly. Under options, we can set the orientation and position as per our requirement. In general setting, we can change the visual functionality like its title, position and size of visual. So our column chart is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for other tutorials from Power BI Basic series.